hospital in Liverpool today is Joe, and he's got a worrying eye injury. It certainly looks sore, but how did it happen?
Joe and his best mate were out in the garden getting ready for some tin can target practice.
Ooh, that looks a bit dangerous.
Joe's mate had the pellet gun and thought he had the safety cap switched on, but he didn't.
That is not good.
No, and a plastic pellet hit Joe's eye.
Bad news.
Joe's learned the hard way that pellet guns are dangerous.
What are you going to do when you get home then, Joe?
Throw them in the bin.
Sounds like a good idea to me.
Not worth it, is it? Nope.
What about his friend?
We've left his poor best friend who shot him in his eye at home, who's just mortified. It's just a BB gun from the pound shop, just a toy that we allowed them in the garden, just shooting cans off the fence, and you think that it's okay, but it's not. He's just a bit scared because you can't see through his eye at the minute, aren't you?
Here's Dr. Henri Soueki, an eye specialist, to find out what's going on.
So what we'll need to do is to check your vision, and then have to examine you under the microscope just to see the extent of the injury.
First is a basic eyesight test.
Can you see the chart there? Cover your bad eye. Can you read from the top? Can you read the letters?
SZNRNCVKCR.
Joe switches eyes and Dr. Henri tries a different test.
I can just see like you do.
Okay, so just look at my hand. How many fingers?
2.
Yeah. Now?
Can't see me. Can't see you.
Things don't look good, so Dr. Henri uses a microscope to get a closer look at the damage to the surface of Joe's eye.
I'm glad to say it looks like you've been very lucky, Joseph. The ball bearings actually, it's just sort of hasn't gone all the way into the eye. It's just scratched the surface of the eye. But saying that, your vision will be very hazy because there's quite a bit of blood inside the eye.
Your eye is about 2/3 the size of a ping pong ball. At the front is the cornea, and here the doctor can see where the pellet has scratched the surface. At the back of the eye sits the retina. This is a light-sensitive tissue which enables you to see.
Because of the blood at the front of the eye, it's very hard to see the back.
The blood in the eye is a concern, and it means that Dr. Henri can't see the inside of the eye clearly, so he can't tell at this stage whether Joe has permanent eye damage. The doctors decide to send Joe home, but he has to come back again so his eye can be monitored for possible damage. Before he goes, he gets patched up.
I can get a pirate one for you if you want. No.
Less of the pirate jokes, Dr. Henri.
We'll be back later to see how Joe's eye is doing.